top headlines for the day.
Finally, the trailer of Shah Rukh Khan's much-awaited movie Raees is out now. The backdrop of the movie is set in 1980s Gujarat and revolves around a bootlegger called Raees Khan, played by Shah Rukh Khan. The marketing team has planned out an extensive promotional strategy for the film as well. Raees will be featuring the leading man in a never-seen-before avatar. SRK's character and charisma will make you go gaga over him, breaking the typical lover boy image. SRK will be seen as a powerful bootlegger, which might just blow you over. King Khan as Mia Bhai has floored all the ladies of B-Town and the world with his hot and slightly menacing look. The trailer is loaded with some clipping of mind-boggling action sequences and whistle-worthy dialogues. But unfortunately, we didn't see the leading lady Mahira Khan much in it. So after this grand trailer release, aren't you guys excited to watch Raees on Republic Day 2017? Do let us know and share your views in the comment box below. Superstar Shah Rukh Khan's starrer Raees was scheduled to release on January 26, 2017. But the makers of the film have recently announced that the release date of the film has been preponed to January 25, 2017. Well before Raees, Hrithik Roshan's starrer Kaabil was announced to be released on January 25th rather than January 26th. We thought it was to avoid the clash between the two films, which would have otherwise eaten into each other's business. But ye kya? The two films are standing at the same chowki once again, isn't it? Did Shah Rukh Khan think it wasn't a good idea to release the film on Republic Day itself? Or did he not want Kaabil to get a one-day lead in the business? Either ways, we are excited about both the films from head to toe and can't wait for more for January 25th. So guys, what do you think? Do comment below and share your valuable thoughts with us.
इंशाल्लाह यार सबको अच्छी लगेगी. अभी बस बन गई है, ख़त्म हो गई है, तो 7 तारीख को ट्रेलर है. सो होपफुली एवरीबॉडी लाइक इट यार. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है यार, जैसा ये सलमान ने बोला, आप लोग ऐसा सोचते हो यार, कुछ भी नहीं है. फिल्म है, थोड़ा टाइम लग गया उसमें क्योंकि चोट लग गई थी. तो अब आ रही है तो अच्छी सी रिलीज़ हो जाए और सबको पसंद आए.
ये सब जो होता है ना, वो इम्पल्सिवली होता है. इसमें कोई सोचते समझते नहीं है, इम्पल्सिवली होता है. कुछ में सही चले जाते हैं, ज़्यादा में सही जा रहे हैं, कुछ एक आध में गलत चला जाते हैं. तो यही है. बट देयर इज नो स्ट्रैटेजी इन्वॉल्वड इन पब्लिसाइजिंग अ फिल्म. किसी के पास एक आइडिया आ गया, किसी के पास दूसरा आइडिया, खुद का एक आध कुछ आ गया, किसी को हाँ कह दिया, किसी को ना कह दिया. दिस इज़ द ओनली वे दैट वी promote it. And also हम लोग फिल्म की अवेयरनेस फैलाते हैं कि इस डेट के ऊपर ये फिल्म आने वाली है. जो कि हमारे फैंस हैं उनको तो ऐसे पता ही चल जाता है कि कब रिलीज़ होनी फिल्म.
Hey guys, remember Ajay Devgan, Konkana Sen Sharma, Paresh Rawal starrer Atithi Tum Kab Jaoge? Well, if sources are to be believed, a sequel to this movie is in the making. And just like the prequel, the sequel, which is titled Atithi in London, will mark the return of Paresh Rawal as the annoying Atithi. But in the sequel, Ajay Devgan and Konkana Sen Sharma is not going to play the vulnerable host. But this time the host is played by Pyar Ka Panchnama fame Kartik Aaryan and Raz Reboot fame Kriti Kharbanda. Obviously, fans of the film were happy on the announcement of its sequel, but unhappy on their favorite star Ajay Devgan being replaced. But it seems like they won't miss out Ajay's presence in the film, as Ajay Devgan will be shooting for a cameo and that will appear towards the climax. So, aren't you guys excited for Atithi in London? Do let us know and share your views in the comment section below. If you remember in the last season of Coffee with Karan, Salman's comment on being a virgin stirred the media for quite some time. And this time when Salman appeared on Kejo's chat show, how could Karan let this golden chance go? Karan asked Salman, "Are you still a virgin?" "Yes, nothing's changed. Still a virgin, and so are you, Karan," Salman replied. And undoubtedly, Salman's reply made Karan to bite his tongue. Not just this, the 100th episode of this much hyped celebrity chat show will be full of sensational revelations and laughed out moments from Khan brothers. So, aren't you guys excited to see this sensational 100th episode of Coffee with Karan? What do you guys think about this dig of Salman on Karan? Do let us know and share your views in the comment section below.
Milind Luthria's Badshah starring Imran Hashmi and Ajay Devgan is all set for a release by next year, and the shooting of the second schedule of the movie is going on full swing in the blue city of Jodhpur. Some pictures from the sets are revealed where stars looked super excited. Yes, आपको याद दिला दे that this film is a reunion of Ajay Devgan, Imran Hashmi and Milind Luthria after Once Upon a Time in Mumbai. Else then, Ajay and Imran Badshah also stars the Rustom Beauties, Ileana D'Cruz and Isha Gupta in pivotal roles. Well, nikalte, let's have a look at these pictures straight from the sets of Badshah. Seems like waiting till its release is getting more difficult after seeing these pictures, hai na? So what say guys? What do you think about this? Do share your views in the comment box below.
Bollywood celebs and rumors about them go hand in hand. This time the rumor arrow struck Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. A hoax WhatsApp message of Aishwarya's attempt to commit suicide is doing the rounds. If you too have received any such jape message, then remember it is just a bluff to you. The message says that due to persistent squabble and dispute in the Bachchan Khandan regarding Aishwarya's intimate scenes with Ranbir in Ae Dil Hai Mushkil made her eccentric to the level that she tried to commit suicide. The story has also stated that the most beautiful women in the world consumed excessive tranquilizer. The gossip didn't end here. It further dramatized, stating that Bachchan came to know about her suicidal plans and immediately called the doctor. Well, whoever cooked up this fake story must be hired as a script writer in Bollywood. What say guys? Comment below and share your thoughts with us. The two superstar Khans of Bollywood, SRK and Salman, came together to host the Star Screen Awards 2016 and the media went berserk. Their stage presence made the shutterbugs go crazy. But at this moment, the news which is even more important is that how much the reunion of these two superstars caused the organizers. Well, Salman and Shah Rukh charged a bomb to host the Star Screen Awards. Shocked to hear that. According to the sources, the number isn't as shocking and that both Salman and Shah Rukh have charged rupees 3 crores each. Well, isn't the remuneration too minimal for reunion of Karan and Arjun? Both Salman and Shah Rukh mutually decided to charge the same amount to avoid any kind of competition. Looks like the Khan duo wants to make news together for all the right reasons, hai na? So what do you guys think about the decision of Karan and Arjun? Do let us know and share your views in the comment section below.
Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan were the toast of Star Screen Awards as the duo took the stage after a really long time to co-host a segment in the award show. And when Karan and Arjun come together, they leave no stones unturned to entertain the audience out there, isn't it? During the Star Screen Awards, bhi kuch aise hi hua when Shah Rukh took a dig on Salman Khan and said, Salman Khan's resolution for New Year is to have a baby girl in 2042 and her name would be Sultani Khan. Well, the audience laughed out loud on this joke, but we wonder what Dabangg Khan has to say about this. Well, we'll be back with some more updates from the Star Screen Awards. But in the meantime, what do you guys think about the Sultani Khan dig of Shah Rukh on Salman? Do let us know and share your views in the comment box below. Zuzu, the leading lady of Salman Khan's next venture Tubelight, has shared some pictures on Twitter straight from the sets of the movie, and she's looking absolutely stunning in the attire. Zuzu, the Chinese actress, is all set for her Bollywood debut opposite superstar Salman Khan in Tubelight. आपको बता दें, Tubelight is an upcoming Bollywood historical war drama film based on 1962 Sino-Indian War, written and directed by Kabir Khan. Well, after seeing these stunning pictures of the actress, we are pretty sure that she's gonna set fire opposite Dabangg Khan in the movie, है ना? So aren't you guys excited to see the sizzling chemistry of Salman and Zuzu in Tubelight? What do you guys think about these stunning pictures of Zuzu? Do let us know and share your views in the comment box below.